Introducing BioVent, your gateway to a breath of fresh air. Ever walked into the bathroom and been hit by that not-so-fresh scent? We've all been there, but what if there was a solution? BioVent fits most pre-wall installation systems available on the market. Thanks to BioVent, the odors from the bowl are sucked out by a quiet and efficient fan, which is connected directly to the outside through the building's wall or ventilation chimney. You no longer need to mask unpleasant odors. BioVent effectively eliminates them at the source, ensuring freshness in your bathroom without chemicals, artificial scents, or even opening a window. BioVent, product of airRoxy,